Hi everyone, so today in this video we will be discussing about how you can sign up in your Videoleap account. So without further ado, let's dive into our video. So the first thing you need to do is scroll through your home page and click open the Videoleap app. So once you click it open, you will have to click on accept and continue its policy, and you can click on the skip option on the top right side of the corner. So you can skip both the options or you can choose any one of them. Now you will get three options to get signed up into your Videoleap account. So here I have chosen continue with Google. So now I need to choose one email address, and this is how you will get signed up into your Videoleap account. So now you can simply edit, create or make different kinds of video in few simple easy steps. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.